What do you got? Shh, look at him. Quiet. Walk quiet. Be quiet. Quiet. What's he saying? You want to hold the camera? Huh? Well, if you're on my neck, you got to hold the camera.
Okay. But I have these feathers.
You can let them go. You can take them home with you? All right. I'll hold the camera.
I'll put these in my hip pocket.
That's a good idea. Okay. You got it.
So I'm going to leave
All right. All right. Hold the camera. Don't drop it. Point towards the birds when you see one. There's a red-winged blackbird. No, that's a yellowhead blackbird. No blue herons today, huh? No muskrats. They killed all them poison. The screeching frogs used to be in here. Remember them? They screech at night. It's like crying babies. They're gone. Toads are gone. Jackrabbits are gone. The only reason these yellow-headed blackbirds and red-headed black, we own this property. Our family's been fighting over it. So it's turned back into marsh, pseudo de facto, because they don't know how to fix the canal because they're all too stupid. The canal always leaks. So it's turned into a little marsh. These guys sit back here, light up bombs, shoot guns all day right across from my house. That's my house right there. Point the camera to the house, Allie. See it? Right there, where my fingers point. Right, here's the birds. Point it towards the birds.
Okay.
They still running?
Uh-huh.
There's Brad's barn. Huh? This is the way I used to walk to school every day. Did you know that? There's our school right there, West Elementary. The one I showed everybody that was being tore down. Those idiots tore it down. Rebuild another one, and they cheated. I got it written in. Of course, I had cancer. Boy, they pull it off. You saw the video. Frank Lloyd Wright, Leslie Hott's a masterpiece. They tear it down. Don't care. You still pointing the camera at birds?
Yeah.
So this is the way I'd walk to school every day. It's full of muskrats and blue herons and jackrabbits. You know.
All the jackrabbits are killed, remember?
Yeah, they got them all.
You told me that they were killed
Yep.
a long time ago.
No jackrabbits, no muskrats, no toads, very few frogs. They've just made a comeback recently. This has been the last year or two. These guys spray toxics, corporate welfare farmers, county commissioners, tens and tens of millions of dollars in corporate welfare. Milk cars 4 times a day.
I got the tree with them.
All right. Okay, let me see the camera, see if it's still rolling. I can hold it.
Running. It's running.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely not.
So, there's my house, my mom's house. These hillbillies here. Brad's barn. All right, Allie.
I just pointed at those.
See?
Can I do it?
Yeah. See, what's he saying? Don't drop it. Those are red-winged blackbirds. What's he saying to you?
He's saying, hello, can you please get out of here?
Yeah. You're probably right. We have a nest here. What babies did we see come out of the nest today, Atlee? A robin?
Robin.
We got real quiet, and was the mama feeding the robin right as it came out of the nest? He was teaching it how to fly today?
Yeah. Hey, Grandpa.
Yeah. In Grandpa's yard, huh?
And I walked it close by him, quiet.
You gotta be real quiet. You keep your distance with the birds, especially when they're babies learning to fly in their nest. Because you don't want to call attention to them when their baby's coming out of the nest, because then the hawk swoops down and eats them. Right? There's two big hawks that Allie's seen them. Of course, the owl got killed, didn't he, over here? Big owl that used to whip around. He had a rat in his hand, too. Got hit by a car down in the other morning. Point it towards this. How cool is this tree? You point it towards that?
I pointed towards all the
dead trees. All the red, yellow heads on there. Very traditional marsh birds. Oh, we have no marsh. Great Salt Lake's going away. They don't care.
Hey, I see one.
Point it towards it. Right there up in the canyon. Let me point it up towards the mountain. That's Snow Basin. You can see the light at night. Branson's kids bought it, want to hijack all the water that loops all the way up through Idaho, spills right in behind my house. And Great Salt Lake's going dry. No one gives a shit.
Let me bring that bird.
Get a the big dead tree. You got it?
Then I got that one bird.
Okay, hand me the camera. Here it's sure. Yeah. Yeah, right up there. Bunch of billionaires. That's the Olympic downhill right there. That's Basin. But right there is Powder Mountain. They bought it, the Bear River, which loops all the way on the back side. That's up through Idaho, the Bear River Massacre. Dumps right in, right back here behind my house. That's the Great Salt Lake there. They've drained the marsh. You know, of course the drought, you know, oh, the eagles are all dead. They don't care around here. These people walk around and just kill them and shoot them.
The eagles are poor.
All right, stand tuned.